How to download edits on Instagram app. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download edits on Instagram. Let's dive right in. First, open Instagram, and once you are on your home page, tap on this plus icon to create a new post. Now, choose from here whichever post you want to create. Once you choose it, tap on next. Now, once you tap on next, you can add filters from here. Once you add the filter, tap on done. Now tap it again, and you can add effects from here. Tap on effects and choose effects from here like this. Now once you choose the effect, go back like this. You can also add music from here and just edit it however you want. Now once you edit it, you can see this download button right here. Just tap on download, and just like that, your photo or video will be downloaded on your gallery. Let's go to gallery to see if it's downloaded or not. As you can see, the video has been downloaded right here. Just repeat the same process for any other videos or photos you want to download from Instagram. And that's it. That's how you download the edits on Instagram app. Super simple and easy. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell for more video tips. Thank you for watching.